Good afternoon, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Welcome back to mathematics class. Sit properly, children. On your videos. Everyone sit right. Take your mathematics textbook and notebook, running notes, and pencil also. Okay, in last class, we discussed about divisions. 4-digit number divided by 1-digit number. How to do division? 4-digit number divided by 1-digit number. Divisions. In today's also, we will discuss about divisions. Divisions. Take out the textbook, children. Take your textbook. Exercise 6.10. Take your textbook. Page number 56. Page number 56. Exercise. Okay, leave it. Six point 10 to the following divisions. Yesterday I given 1 to 5 problems, homework. Only Chintakunta Harshita did homework. Very good girl. Only one girl only did homework. That girl only completed homework. Okay. Next, some more problems I will explain, children. Okay. Some more problems I will explain from exercise 6.10. 4-digit number divided by 1-digit number problems only. Now, once again I am explaining. Listen carefully, children. Okay. Fifteenth problem. 4056 divided by 5. 4056 divided by 5. Sakshi, sit right, Amma. Sakshi, sit properly. 4056 divided by 5. When I am explaining, you say, okay, I am understand teacher, you saying, but afterwards you not doing, you not trying your own. So you forgot, children. That's why after completed, once you practice, once you try to your own remaining problems, what I am giving homework, you try to your own. Okay. First, how to do division? First, you compare the dividend first number and divisor number. In this problem, what is divisor? What is dividend? First, 4056 divided by 5. Here, divisor is 5. Okay, here divisor is 5. Here, dividend is 4056. 4056 is dividend, 5 is divisor. So we have to read once the divisor table. Okay, first step is, first in dividend first number and divisor you compare first of all. In dividend first number, what is first number? 4. 4 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. Here dividend first number smaller than divisor is there. So we have to take 2-digit number. We have to take 2-digit number here. Why? Here dividend first number is smaller than divisor is there. That's why we have to take 2-digit number. What is 2-digit number, children, here? 40. Okay? 2-digit number is 40. Now 40 divided by 5. 40 divided by 5. 40 number in 5 table, where will come once you revise the table. Once you revise the table, 5 table. Once you read 5 table, do you know 5 table? Read once 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5, yes, 5 eights are 40, very good. 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40. Okay, 5 eights are 40. Very good, children. 5 eights are 40. 8 write in quotient place. 8 write in quotient place. 40 write in dividend downside. 40 write in dividend downside. Then next step is subtract, children. 40 minus 40. What is the difference of 40 minus 40? Yes, very good. 0. Write 0 here. Now 0 is less than 5. Yes? Is it correct or not? 0 is less than 5. So we have to take next digit number. What is next digit number? Tens number is 5. So we take here 5. Now 5 divided by 5. 5 divided by 5. What is the quotient? In 5 table, 5 a will come. Say the answer. Yes, 1. Very good. Maheshwaram Bharat. 5 ones are 5. 1 write in quotient place. 5 write in dividend downside. Next, 5 minus 5. What is the difference 5 and 5? 0. Write 0. Okay. Take next number. What is that? 6. 6 divided by 5. 6 divided by 5. In 5 table, 6 where will come? Not there. In 5 table, 6 not there. So we have to take nearest and smallest number. 5 ones are 5. Very good, Bharat. 5 ones are 5. 1 write in quotient place. 5 write in dividend downside. Now subtract. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 6 minus 5. Yes, very good. 1. Now 1 is, here 1 is remainder. Okay, here 1 is remainder. Remainder is always less than divisor having. After the complete division, remainder is always less than divisor. Okay, here remainder is always less than divisor after completed the division. So here 1 is remainder. Here 811 is quotient. Next, 4056 is dividend. 5 is divisor. Okay. Some more examples. Next, 17th one. What is 17th one? 9004 divided by 8. 9004 divided by 8. Okay. First, we have to write 9004 divided by 8. First, come to the dividend first number and divisor number. This is dividend, this is divisor. 9004 is dividend, 8 is divisor. Okay. Here 9004, in 9004 first digit is 9. Here 8 is divisor. Now 9 greater than 8, children here. Here 9 dividend first number is biggest number, bigger than the divisor. Okay, here smaller than the divisor means what we do here? We take 2-digit number. But here greater than the divisor. So we have to take 1-digit number. Okay, we have to take 1-digit number. Here dividend first number is bigger than the divisor. Bigger number here. Biggest number and greater than divisor. 9 greater than 8. Here 4 less than 5. That's why we take here 2-digit number. But here 9 greater than 8. That's why we have to take 1-digit number 9. Okay? Ritika, look at the board. Listen here. Listen to me, girl. 9 divided by 8. First we have to do division to 9. 9 divided by 8. 1000 number. 1000 place number. In thousands place number, which number have? 9. 9 divided by 8. Yes, very good. 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. Now 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Very good. 1. Take next number 0. Okay. Now number is 10. 10 divided by 8. 10 divided by 8. In 8 table 10 where will come? Right. 8 table. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 9 is not there. So we have to take again 8. 8 ones are 8. 1 write in quotient place. Yes, children? 8 ones are 8. 10 minus 8. What is the difference? 10 and 8. 10 and 8. Very good, Bharat. 10 minus 8 is 2. Now 2 less than 8. So that's why we have to take next number. 0. 20. Yes? 20 is there. 20 divided by 8. In table 20 where will come? Once you check. 8 threes are 24. Where is there, children? 20. Here is there or not? No. So 8 twos are 16. Very good. 8 twos are 16. 2 write in quotient place. 16 write in dividend downside. Okay? 2 write in quotient place. 16 write in dividend downside. 20 minus 16. 20 minus 16. What is the difference? After subtraction, what we get? Yes, very good. 4. 4 less than 8. That's why we have to take another digit number, ones number. We have to write here ones number. Now this number is 44. Yes, 44 divided by 8. 44 divided by 8. In 8 table 44 where will come? Otherwise, we have to take nearest and smallest number to 44. What is there? Where is there? Once you check. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 six are 48. 8 six are 48. See children here 44. We want here 44. But 44 is there? No, not there. So what we do? Take 40 boy. 40, not 32. We take 40. 8 fives are 40. 5. 8 fives are 40. 44 minus 40. What is the difference? Very good. 4. 4 is remainder. Yes, here 4 is remainder. 1125 is, what is 1125 children? 1125 is quotient. Here 8 is divisor. 9004 is dividend. Okay, Aruhi, you have doubt? Wait a month. In your mobile, unmute. What is your doubt, girl? Aruhi. In your mobile, keep it unmute first. Okay. Ask. What is the doubt? Aruhi.
Quotient writer, teacher, dividend.
What, Amma?
Quotient writer, teacher, dividend.
Once again ask.
Quotient or dividend, right, teacher?
This is quotient. 1125 is quotient. Answer is quotient only. Your answer is quotient only. Your 9004 is dividend. 8 is divisor. Next 4 is remainder. First, what is your doubt?
Answer quotient or dividend, right?
Okay. Answer is quotient, girl. After the division completed after, we have to write answer is quotient only, not remainder. Remainder means remaining. After the sharing, remaining, that is remainder. But quotient is answer. Okay? Is it clear? Did you understand, girl? Arohi?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Here, after division completed, here quotient is answer, children. Here, quotient is answer. Here, 9004 is dividend. 8 is divisor. Next, 4 is remainder. 1125 is quotient. Next, 19th one. 5005 divided by 5. 5005 divided by 5. See, children, here in first problem, dividend first number less than divisor is there. Okay, I given here first number, dividend first number less than divisor. So we have to take 2-digit number. Next problem, here dividend first number greater than divisor. So we have to take here 1-digit number. Okay, once you compare, what is the difference have these problems once you observe, children. Okay, next in third problem, here dividend first number and divisor, both numbers are equal given here. Okay, both numbers are equal. So what we do here, we have to take 1-digit number. Okay, here biggest number have also and same number have also, we have to take 1-digit number, but smallest number have time, we have to take 2-digit number. This one you don't forget, children. Yesterday also I said, once again I am saying. Okay, yeah, dividend first number smaller than divisor having time, we have to take 2-digit number, and dividend first number greater than divisor and dividend first number and divisor same numbers, equal numbers, both are equal time also, we have to take 1-digit number. Okay, you don't forget this point. Now here both are equal. Here dividend first number 5 is there and divisor 5 is there. So both are equal. So what we do? Take 1-digit number, that is 5. Okay, we take 1000 number, 1000 place number 5. We take 1-digit number, that is 5. 5 divided by 5. 5 divided by 5. What is the quotient? 5 ones are 5. So 1 is quotient. Write in quotient 1. Write in quotient place 1. 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. Next 0 hand. Next also 0 hand. So write 2 times zeros. Next we have to take 5. Okay. Next 5 ones are 5. Okay, here if you have any doubt, you can write in this way also. Okay. Nothing will happen. You can write here like this also, nothing will happen. You can write here 0. 5 zeros are 0. Next again take 0. 5 zeros are 0. Next we have to take another digit number 5. Take 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. So here 0 is remainder. First dividend. What is dividend? Dividend is 5005. Next what is divisor? Divisor is 5. Next what is quotient? Quotient is 1001. Okay, quotient is 1001. Next what is remainder? Yes, remainder is 0. Okay, dividend is 5005. Next divisor is 5. Next quotient is 1001. Here quotient is answer. In every division quotient is answer. Okay, next remainder is here 0. Okay, did you understand children how to do division? 4 digit number divided by 1 digit number, 3 digit number divided by 1 digit number. Same process. First compare the dividend first number and divisor. Next read the table and take that number and write dividend first digit downside, and after that do subtraction, take next digit number. Again same process. We have to do division. Okay. In exercise 6.10, some more problems have. You complete total that problems children. Okay. Page number 56, exercise 6.10. In exercise 6.10, page number 56. 24 problems are there children. In 24 problems, yesterday 4 problems I explained. Today I explained 3 problems. Okay, remaining problems try to your own. Then if you have any doubt, you call to me, I will clarify your doubt. Okay, otherwise in next class also I will explain same problem. Okay, did you understand children? Now if you have any doubt, ask me. Raise your hand, then I will clarify your doubt. Okay, no doubt. I hope you understand. Okay. Okay children. In next class I will explain division properties. Okay, and divided by 2 digit number also. 4 digit number divided by 2 digit number, how to solve divisions I will explain in tomorrow class. Okay, thank you children. Did you write point?